What lace though? What lace y'all see? Let me know. Let me know. Alright guys, so in today's video, I am showing you this lovely wig from LUVME Hair. LUVME Hair is bombs.com. If you guys haven't tried it, make sure you check out my description box below so you can get you a unit from them, okay? So first, I'm using my stocking caps. I am not doing the ball cap method. I'm using two different caps. I got this from Sophiologies. Shout out to her. It does make your wig feel so much more secure, and you can wear your wig and secure your wig without doing that method. It works. Then I'm going to add a little bit of powder to this tan one because I need it to just be a little bit more darker, a little bit more closer to my skin tone, you know? I just needed it to be a little bit more blended. So the packaging, however, from LUVME Hair, this royal purple is such queen goddessness. It's like a matte purple box. So their packaging is A1. It is so freaking bomb. It was wrapped in this beautiful ribbon. Open up the package. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Love, the founder of LUVME Hair. Love you, girl. That's bomb. Okay, and then this is the wig. It comes in this purple sack. Super cute. They sent me a pair of lashes in this diamond glittery packaging, which is so gorgeous. And these lashes are cute as well. We have a little packet. It has a few little goodies in there for your hair needs. We have a rat tail comb. It's definitely needed. Some bobby pins. Some hair deodorant. Makes your flyaways lay it down. That's what I call it. Adjustable strap if you want to add it yourself. Some tweezers. Yes, some tweezers, y'all. Tweezers. And some clips. They hooked your girl up. And a wig cap. All right. Hook me up then. Love it. All right. So this is the unit. The good stuff. We're getting into the bombness. Okay. So this unit. Undetectable lace, you guys. Undetectable lace. It's a 16-inch body wave unit. Ooh, look at that bounce. Bouncy. Yes, I had to show y'all all the good angles. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So it's a 360 lace wig, as you can see. Just showing you guys all that goodness. It is bomb. Do y'all see how those knots are already bleached, though? Okay. Just want to get into that. So the wig is definitely big head friendly. Okay. I did the adjustable straps in the back because I wanted to be a little bit tighter. So you can do that as well. Right now, what you see me doing is I'm just measuring, just seeing exactly where I need my wig to sit or where I want it to sit, shall I say. So I'm just playing around with it, seeing if there's any work I need to do to it, what I need to cut off. And as you can see my face right now, I am loving what I'm seeing, okay? So what I'm doing now is I'm just seeing if I need to add a little bit of plucking, but I was definitely checking for those knots. I did pluck it a little bit, even though it honestly wasn't needed. So I'm going to use my Got To Be gel, the black one. You see it in my hand there. I'm using a generous amount of that to get my wig to stay on for at least 2 to 3 days. I don't know, might take it off quicker. And then I set it with the little freezing spray, and I use my blow dryer to make sure it's tight and all that good stuff. So I'm going to place the wig on little by little, using my little wrapping strips to make sure it's all good and where I want it to be. And just placing that down with my comb, making it secure. And then we're going to wrap it with the wrap it strips just to set it. And I'm going to use my blow dryer after I wrapped it to make sure that it just stays on. And now it's secure. All right, guys, so now I am back just showing you after I took off that wrapping piece, how it is laying down. I'm adding a little bit of the edge control that makes the flyaways lay down because I just want to make sure that all the hair is out of the way and not being stuck to any glue. I'm out of frame right now, but I'm using an eyebrow shaper to cut the lace off. I just want to try that new technique. However, it is not for me. I went back to my scissors because that just works better for me. As you can tell right here, I'm about to show you in a second. I cut myself with that eyebrow shaper, and now I have like a big bloody mark on my forehead, unfortunately. Yeah, so there it is right there. But now I'm just going over with some glue, making sure everything is still laying down and it didn't lift or anything, which it didn't. Thank you, Got to Be Glue. You are still A1. So as you can see right now, you see how the lace is completely like invisible right now. Like it, especially like from a distance, you cannot tell that's lace. Like that really melted into my skin. So now I'm going to do some edges. Just a little bit, nothing fancy. I am not an edge professional whatsoever. So I'm just getting those edges laid to my liking, and then I'm going to give myself a middle part, you guys, and that is the ending of laying this lace. And I have to say I'm completely pleased. Like this lace, this undetectable lace, honey, it is bomb.com. There she is, melted. Yes, ma'am. Woo, I love it. What? Look crazy. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you who are new, if you aren't new, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already. I'm really excited about today's video. Sorry, I'm reading like information from my phone. So as you saw from the beginning clips, this wig is from LUVME Hair, one of my most favorite wig slash hair slash bundle companies. Their wigs are so freaking bomb. Oh my gosh, this wig is so bomb. Okay, so the wig that I have, I just want to tell you what kind of wig I have. So as I said before, the wig is the type of lace it has is a Swiss lace, and it claims that it's very thin, stretchy, soft, and invisible. And let me go ahead and tell y'all, this unit is definitely, well, let me say the lace specifically, I love that I did like zero work to this lace. Okay, so it is definitely invisible for one. Like that lace blended it into my head so freaking well. I plucked it to like the minimum amount, so I barely plucked it, y'all. It's also very thin and stretchy for sure, because when I was putting it on, I could tell from how I was able to like place it, it stretches out very well. So the things that it claims, it definitely has for sure. So the texture of the wig that I have, it is body wave. This unit is 16 inches long. I'm going to try to adjust the camera a little bit so you can tell. So this is how long the unit is. I'm gonna take my jacket off so you guys can probably see it a little bit better. So I put like some loose curls in here with my curling iron, which is actually what I'm about to do now. Add just a little bit more curls. The lace really laid super flat as well. I really appreciate that I didn't have to do a whole lot of work with my lace as far as with my hot comb. I did use my hot comb, but I didn't have to use it as much. I'm gonna take this off because I kind of feel like it's probably messing up my makeup. This lace, hunty, yes ma'am. I absolutely love this lace. So it is the undetectable lace, which, yes ma'am, it's definitely undetectable. Like look at that, y'all. That literally looks like scalpage. That is scalp. That is scalp. Okay, y'all can't tell me it's not. Can't tell me it's not. Okay, LUVME Hair, yet again, y'all are back at it again with another banger. Okay, back with a banger for sure. So I'm working on adding a little bit more curls. I don't want my curls to be like too defined, but I want them to be there enough. I love body wave texture hair. I feel like that's a go-to for a lot of people because body wave hair is very easy to straighten, and then it's also very easy to curl. So it's like that perfect in-between type of texture that I like. I feel like a lot of other people probably like it too. So the density of this unit, I do not have the exact details of the density of it. If I do find it, I'll put it on the screen or in the description box below, but guesstimate, I would say it's probably about 150% density. It's not super thick, but I appreciate it not being super thick because I don't want it to be like a big like wagon sitting on my head. But you could probably definitely make it thicker depending on how you do your curls, or if you teaser or something like that, you could probably make the curls a little bit bigger. But I really just wanted to get into the lace details of this unit, you guys, because I feel like that's what makes it different from other units that I've tried. I've never had the undetectable lace type of unit, so I really like it. And I can definitely say that any wigs that I purchased that are lace front type of units, I would definitely go for the undetectable lace. If you are going to get you a unit, one, I recommend the LUVME Hair because their wigs that I've tried in the past and this one, they have never let me down. So I would definitely say try it from their brand. And then second, definitely get the undetectable lace because it literally requires so much less work. You won't have to do as much. Versus for me, I don't even think I mentioned it, I did not have to bleach the knots. For one thing, the knots come bleached, like for real bleached, like you ain't got to do nothing. The lace also blends into your skin. Hello, undetectable lace, that is super bomb. And then it's pre-plucked. I didn't have to do any plucking to it. However, I did do some to the front, but that's because I feel like that's kind of like my OCD type of thing. That's something that I have to do. It's not even like, oh, it needs it, but I just have to know, I have to physically know that I went in there and I plucked it a little bit, and it makes me feel better. But besides that, y'all, it's a bomb unit. And if you want to try it, make sure you check out my description box below because that's where I'll have all the information for you to try it. Okay, so thanks guys for watching today's video. If you got this far, subscribe to my channel. We done hit 5K subscribers, and I love every single one of you, and thank every single one of you for doing that for me. Okay, so if you got this far, subscribe to my channel, please. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, check out LUVME Hair for sure. If you guys like my nails, let me know because I can do a video on them. Because yes, your girl did her own nails. Actually, every time you see my nails, I do my own nails. I just gotta save a buck, you know. So if you guys are interested in that, I can do that for you as well. Thanks guys for watching today's video, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.